One phrase can open 1,000 doors. Hello again, and welcome back. If you've been following along, you can already greet people and introduce yourselves. That's 2 huge steps. And if you're learning with the Airlearn app, you probably noticed how natural these conversations start to feel when you actually hear and repeat them. That's the beauty of it. Airlearn helps you train your ear and tongue together, so it starts to sound effortless. Today, we'll add the magic phrase that holds every conversation together in France. Ça va? It's short, musical, and full of meaning. It's also the most flexible phrase you'll ever learn, like linguistic yoga. When someone says ça va, they're not always asking for your life story. Most of the time, it's just their way of saying, hey, you good? Or how's it going? The polite answer, usually the same words right back. French phrases, ça va? How's it going? Ça va? I'm fine, all good. Oui, ça va bien. Yes, I'm doing well. Pas mal, not bad. Comme ci, comme ça, so-so. Pas trop mal, pretty good, not too bad. Let's look at how this works in real life. Salut, ça va? Ça va et toi? Ça va bien, merci. Hi, how's it going? I'm fine. You? I'm good, thanks. Simple, quick, and friendly. When I first moved, I took ça va very seriously. Someone would ask me in the supermarket, and I'd start explaining my entire week, the weather, my laundry, my existential crisis. The poor cashier would blink politely and repeat ça va? That's when I realized it's a greeting, not a therapy session. So when in doubt, smile and say ça va. Or if you want to sound especially positive, oui, ça va très bien, merci. Yes, I'm very well, thank you. Now, if you're having a rough day and want to be honest but polite, you can soften it. Bof, pas trop mal. Not too bad. Un peu fatigué, a little tired. And that's enough. No drama needed. Practice time. Repeat after me. Ça va? How's it going? Ça va? I'm fine. Ça va bien, merci. I'm good, thank you. Et toi? And you? Pas mal. Not bad. Bof, un peu fatigué. A bit tired. Très bien. Very good. Here's a tip you'll love. The way you say ça va changes its meaning completely. Tone is everything. If your voice rises at the end, ça va, it's a question. If it stays flat, ça va, it's an answer. If it drops slightly, ça va, it means it's okay, I guess. So yes, one tiny phrase can express your entire emotional range. Cultural note. In France, greetings are quick but genuine. Even at the office, you might say ça va to 10 different people before you even sit down. It's part of daily social glue, like small talk but simpler. Quick practice session. Bonjour, ça va? Ça va, merci. Et vous? Très bien, merci. See how natural that feels? It's rhythmic, like music. There was a week when I had the flu and felt awful. A friend saw me and asked, ça va? I croaked back, ça va. She smiled and said, bon, tant pis, viens boire un café. Oh well, have a coffee. That's French friendship in a nutshell. They hear your tone more than your words. So your challenge today is simple. Use ça va at least 5 times with a friend, a family member, even with yourself in the mirror. Try it with different tones. Cheerful, tired, surprised, ironic. It's great pronunciation practice and confidence training in one. Next time, we'll explore something a little more expressive. How the French use their hands to talk almost as much as their mouths. Get ready for gestures, shrugs, and the secret language of le body français. Merci et à bientôt.